Hello gorgeous, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. It is time to unbox my Fabfitfun. This is my fall 2025 box. It is a little bit delayed. There's a story behind it. I'm going to show you what I got. I'm going to apply some of it to my face. If you are curious, then just keep watching. So Fabfitfun is a subscription box that you get quarterly. You can pay, I believe, by the quarter. You can also pay by the year. I chose to pay by the year, and this is going to be my very last Fabfitfun box. I have canceled my subscription. Why did I cancel? I think what I need is a subscription box that is a little more makeup focused. So stay tuned. I have subscribed to another subscription box. That video is coming. But I wanted to show you what I got in this last box. What is nice about Fabfitfun is they give you options. You have 6 different levels of options to choose from. And if you don't like what they're offering, you can get a credit, which I did. So let's start with what I picked with my initial options. For my first option, I picked this blurring product from Thrive Cosmetics. This, I believe, might be my first product from Thrive. This is their HD blurring primer. It creates a smooth makeup gripping canvas that transforms the appearance of pores, texture, and fine lines immediately and over time. Retails for $36. You use about this much. I do have my tinted sunscreen on, brows on, and I do have some eyeshadow primer on. Feels like silicone. I'll check the ingredients in just a moment. Yes, it definitely has dimethicone in it. I do see a little bit of blurring. Just adding a little bit of my Merit Minimalist stick. This is in the shade Sand. You really only need a minimal amount. Now I'm just setting my face with a little bit of my Wet n Wild pink powder. And lastly, just a little bit of my Sigma matte bronzer in Deep, and then we can move on to the next product. And the next product that I got to choose is this Hourglass Voyeur eyeshadow stick. This retails for $34. They sent me the shade Solstice. It is described as an effortless, crease-resistant eyeshadow stick that delivers high-impact color with a sleek metallic finish for all-day wear. I may end up adding a little bit of that Sigma bronzer into my crease, but I thought I would try this out. It's funny, I just did an Hourglass video, and I am liking the products. Here is Solstice. Feels very nice on my hand. I'm just going to swipe this on my eye. This is a 301 from Real Techniques. Well, that was easy. Not quite as glidey as some of the other eyeshadow sticks I've tried, but it's not too stiff. I'm going to take a little Essence pencil brush and just put some on there and go underneath. It's very pretty. I love that bronze shade. Just adding a little bit of my Revant black eyeliner on the waterline and just on the outside. And then a new favorite, the Beauty Creations mascara. As soon as I'm done with that, we'll move on to the next product. I'm back, and this mascara is so pretty. It's a little high maintenance because it's so wet. I have to take my time, but 2 coats and shabam, which I like. I just realized I made a mistake. The Thrive was not one of my options. I bought this one with the credits that I got. I picked 3 items in the initial selections from Fabfitfun. The first was this Hourglass eyeshadow stick. So far, so great. And the second one is this lipstick from Merit. This is the Signature Lip Lightweight Matte Lipstick. This is in the shade Maison. I'm very happy to have this. I'm a big fan of Merit, and I've been wanting to try their lipsticks. Marked beautifully. It's got the Merit logo on it. Maison seems to be a nice cool-toned mauve. I'm going to put it on without a lip liner, and then most likely I'll add one. Ooh, that is really, really pretty. It's got a nice glide to it, but I can tell that it is a matte. The packaging is gorgeous. Love that. I have a feeling it'll be very long wearing, but I still would feel more comfortable with a lip liner. I grabbed my RMS liner. This is the Go Nude lip pencil, and it is in the shade Nighttime Nude, BRB. Online, Merit says that this lip color provides saturated, soft matte color that stays comfortable throughout the day, features a plush velvet texture for a soft blurred finish, includes moisturizing and hydrating hyaluronic acid to help lips look naturally plump, sesame seed extract smooths and conditions lips for comfort throughout the day, made with 30% recycled plastic and ships in our signature FSC certified paper packaging. This retails for $26. Yeah, that is really pretty. The last item that I chose in the initial FabFitFun choices is this product here, and this is from Carasilk. This is a multi-benefit hair oil. You have 1.6 fluid ounces. I love a hair oil, but I especially like a hair oil that I can use on wet or dry hair. That is my favorite because I put a hair oil in when I wash my hair, but I also do it when I refresh my hair. So this says that it is a multi-benefit oil, and it provides the perfect experience of extraordinary smooth, soft hair, full of shine for all hair types and textures, seals in moisture and provides frizz control with heat protection infused with biometric silk and shea oil. Apply into towel dried or dry lengths and ends, leave in. And this retails for $35. I'm not looking super frizzy. I just took a shower about an hour ago, but I'm going to put a little bit of this in my hair. Very little scent, maybe just a little bit sweet. And then what I do is I just sort of do this to my ends. I am happy to have this. If I didn't mention it, I'm going to have everything listed and linked in the description box below. I was able to find all but 2 of the items that I have in my box. So now we'll get into the credits. What was nice is as I was going through the choices, if I didn't want what they were offering, I could just click on credit, and then when the shop opened up, I was able to spend my credit money. And here's what I got. The first thing was this Thrive Primer. I only had to pay $11 worth of points, but this retails for, I believe it was $36. And then of course in FabFitFun, they have house, they have clothing, they have all kinds of things on their website. And I ended up choosing this fan. The brand is Cloud Nola, and it is a bladeless fan. $14.99 in points. It comes with a little USB, so I have my little port thing here. I'm guessing I will just have this on my desk where I edit, or maybe even up here. There's a button on the side to turn it on. So I press the button. And then you can just turn it. Does it get stronger? We'll see if Luke tolerates it. My old fan, he wanted to play with all the time and wanted me to turn it off. Some sounds bother him. We shall see, but it'll get used. And the last thing that I got with my little credit money was a bottle of hairspray. This is the Sexy Hair Big Spray and Play Harder. And if you didn't know, this is my very favorite hairspray. I have this upstairs in my bathroom, downstairs in my bathroom. I have backups in the closet. It usually retails for around $22. I only buy it when it's on sale. And this one took a $12 credit. Funny, when I did go to link this before the video, it's on sale on Amazon right now, I think for $14. So if you want a really strong hold hairspray, this is definitely one that I recommend. I have loved this for years. Look at that. So I was very happy to get this. It will for sure be used. Oops, I missed one more credit item, and that is this blush from Floss Beauty. It is called the Mood Cream Blush. It was $4.99 in points, retails for $26. A silky smooth cream blush that blends effortlessly onto your cheeks, providing buildable coverage for a natural looking flush or a bold pop of color depending on your mood. Its lightweight formula ensures a seamless application that lasts all day without feeling heavy or greasy. This retails for $26. It only cost me $4.99 in points. I got the shade Serene. I was hoping it would be a nice red. Ooh, feels a little on the balmy side. This is my Sigma F47. Just in case it's very pigmented, I'm going to tap it. Ooh. Pretty. Wiping off the excess. Just going around the edges. Ooh. Here are my final thoughts on the box. The Hourglass eyeshadow stick I think is beautiful, very nice for every day. I like this Solstice shade. Pretty bronze. The Carasilk hair oil, so far so good. Really nice. I love how big and luxe and glass this bottle is. And the Merit matte lipstick. Stunning. This is the shade Maison. And then the points purchases, sure, I'll use the fan. Pretty cool. The Thrive Blurring Primer looks really nice on my skin. I am loving my complexion right now. And this cutie little floss blush, I like it. And no, not tacky at all. The hairspray, love. So am I sad to say goodbye to FabFitFun? A little bit, but I feel like a more makeup heavy subscription box is just what's gonna make me happier. So thank you, FabFitFun, even though I paid for every box. I thank you. I had fun for this year, and I had been a member before, left, came back. Who knows? I may come back again. We shall see. And I have a challenge for you. I would love if you would guess in the comment section what subscription box I will be getting next. I'd love to hear your thoughts or ideas, because I'm always up for new things. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing before you leave. I would love to have you join me. I upload videos on Mondays and Saturdays. Give the video a thumbs up, and of course, leave me that comment, even if it's just a heart, to let me know you were here. I thank you so much for spending your precious time with me today. I'll see you in the next one.